everyone! Chapter 6, Learning Target 2. This is Miss Osier.
And Miss LaHart.
And here we go. So, double angle formulas. There they are.
Here they are.
They're formulas.
Mm-hmm.
Like we said.
Yep.
It's all about your formula sheet.
All about your formula sheet. And again, we can go through how these are proven, but that would take wonderfully long. I would like you to notice that there are 3 cosine double angles.
Yeah, there are.
Cosine's the special one where they've got multiple ways you can write it.
We have lots of options. Sometimes some are more advantageous than others. It's very hard for us to tell you that without actually seeing one that you would choose. So we'll
basically, this is all about doubling your angle and what is going to pop out when you plug in trig functions.
So to find the exact value of sine 2 theta, cosine 2 theta, and tan 2 theta, given that, boom. Okay, we got a lot of information right now. So going back to what we've already done, we know that the opposite and hypotenuse of this triangle is 24 and 25. And we also know, based on the given information, that sine is positive, so we could be in the first or second quadrant, but both cosine and tangent are negative because of where we're here.
We are in second quadrant. So you have to know where you are, draw yourself a diagram. Look at how pretty that is.
It's so pretty. So when you do this, they're going to be negative. Don't forget that. Pythagorean theorem your way through that.
Oh, that's nice.
So pretty.
Look at that.
7. Boom. All right.
Now you just go to your reference sheet. You fill these in because once you look at you're going to need these when you plug in your double angle formulas.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, as a point of reference, when we were talking about cosine and how it has 3, one of the I don't want to go all the way back, but one of the formulas just has sine squared in it. So technically, you didn't even need cosine to get cosine 2 theta if you have sine. Just pointing it out.
All right, so here's the formula for double angle. We only have one for sine. So again, you just plug it in and then just do the math.
Boom.
It's not going to be pretty, but just go with it.
Just go with it.
Okay. Cosine. You can choose whichever formula you want to use.
We chose that one.
You do you. I chose this one. I like this one.
I do too.
You do the math.
It looks like the Pythagorean theorem. That's why I like it so much.
You get your answer and yada, yada, yada.
Tangent 2 theta. Plug them in, people.
Tangent's got the fraction in it.
Plug them in.
Plug them in. Get your
Plug
angle. And that's really all there is
That's
to
it. There you go.
Yep. Stalling. All right, one more.
Find the exact value of sine 2 theta, cosine 2 theta, given that cotangent of theta is -6 and 3 pi over 2, and it's in between. Theta is in between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi. So we're in the 4th quadrant, people.
Third.
No, 4th.
Whoopsie. Way to draw your angle in the right
This should
angle.
be in the 4th quadrant. Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cosine's negative. Cosine is positive because tangent's negative and sine is negative. Clearly, sometimes we copy and paste and we forget to change things. Get over it, everybody. So cosine is positive. Sine is negative. Tangent is clearly negative. We know the opposite over, adjacent over opposite, so -6 over 1. So 6 is the adjacent, 1 is the opposite. Pythagorean theorem your way through. And now we have tangent, cosine, and sine. Now notice that we left both of these, I can speak, with it in not pretty form. That's because we're going to need to plug and chug these bad boys, and there's a lot of squareds happening in our formulas, which undo the radicals. We like that. This one doesn't, but that's okay. Because look, what happens when you multiply radical by radical? Poof!
37.
Boom. Cosine squared times sine squared. Boom. You're just plugging it in.
Yep.
Plugging it in.
Holy moly, I didn't do tangent. Did they ask for tangent? Hold on, go back. I don't think it asked for tangent.
They didn't ask for tangent.
Yep. Pay attention.
She knows
don't do more work than you need to.
But if you wanted to do tangent, you would just plug that bad boy in too. That's it, everybody.
Yep.
Have a great day. We'll see you in class.